I say to Imran Khan from this Arabic channel, this pan-Arab channel, Al-Mustaqillah Television, I'm proud of you. I want to tell you that millions of Muslims around the globe are proud of you. Because you are proud of our religion, because you defend our religion, because you defend our Prophet. So you deserve that we pray for you day and night. May Allah bless you, protect you, and give you victory. We need leaders like you in Tunisia, in North Africa, in the Arab world. We need leaders like you, committed to Islam, proud of Islam, capable of defending this religion and the Muslim Ummah from the heart and with a clever, bright mind, the way you do it, the way you did it, the way you still do it. Imran Khan, Allah يحفظك ويوفقك ويرعاك. I wish we had a leader like you in Tunisia. I wish. Maybe one day. I pray to God that He will give us in Tunisia one like you, proud of his religion, committed to his religion, and committed to the people and to the best interests of the people.